So I slid so I slid the A to the B. Once I did that, I put in the bolt and the spacer, connected it to the C, just like that, on both sides. Once I did that, I mounted it to the frame that was connected to the bench. Yeah, so once it's all set up, you can use it as a two wheel. This thing is the thing that locks it. You push that in, and it gets loose. And then you have a table. It's real nice. I'm probably gonna use this every weekend. You'll be able to put your table saw and your miter saw on this speed bench.